Make money with data annotation job tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection or just text classification labels or sentiment analysis labels or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamlines the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation. Involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their project. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account by clicking here sign up or join. Then you can start offering your services. As you can see here, we have a small number of offers comparing with the other services. So for example, let's see over here, logo design. This service, as you can see, has a lot of offers, over 240,000 of offers. So it's really a big number comparing with data annotations offer. So here we have a strong competition. So let's see another one. So for example, voiceover. Here we have over 31,000 of results. I mean 31,000 of offers. So it's really something that will encourage you to start as a data annotators. So how we can do that, or how we can get to this service? So the only thing you have to do is go to your web browser and type fiverr.com. It will let you to this home page. As we can see, this is the home page, and then you have two ways to start. The first way is type in here AI services and go to data annotation, or just you can scroll down and you will find the services. Then you will click on data and then you will choose data annotation. It's included in data analysis. So you don't have to need any advanced coding skills to start this job. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. The minimum amount is $5. As you can see, you can find $10 too, and you can find $35, and why not, you can find $100. So it's depend on how much services you have or how much services you will offer. So to more understand, let's choose, for example, that one. I already choose it. So as a data annotators, let's know what is your service is. Tagging and annotating and labeling images of clients to bring AI to life. So as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images as example, videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. So for the charge is for the basic one, $5 for 400 bounding boxes in the delivery in 1 day. For the second one, standard is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes delivery in 2 days. And for the premium one, it's the most expensive, $125 from 10,000 bounding boxes, and the delivery will be in 6 days. So you can find the same offers, but be sure that you will not find the same information. It's depend on how much time you need. So you cannot find the delivery it's the same, or how much bounding boxes you can get, or the data annotators can get, and the same thing for amount. So let's see another example. For example, that one for the premium, or the most expensive one, it's $200. It's not like the first one. The first one it's just $125, but it's 6 day delivery. But the second one it's $200, but in 5 days delivery. So it's depend on how much time you need, as I said, and how much bounding boxes you can get. So you can start as a data annotators by getting more information, for example, researching for it, and get the basic information to start as a freelancer in Fiverr. On in other platform, there is other platforms such as AudioB. You can just see it's a audio data, by the way. You can just select in here became a freelancer, and you can start as a freelancer. Then you can try to get your job, and then you will start earn money. There's other platform, it's named Toluca. So here we have the home page, and you will select the login. Then you will, here we have I'm ready to earn money. You will click over here, and as you can see, you can sign up with the Google or with Facebook. So here we have this platform. There's other platform, by the way. There's just these three are just example to start and to know how data annotation works. So what are you waiting for? Go and start as a data annotator and learn this basic thing that related to data annotation and get your money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope really it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.